Hi everyone, today in this video I am going to show you what are the things there inside the lifeboat. So you can see here, first I will show you. Here is battery of a lifeboat. So there is two batteries in the lifeboat. One is 12 volt, so both are connected in series, so it is total 24 volt. And here this is a charger for this. It's charged around 13.8 voltage. So I'm closing this, and this is our searchlight, and this is a place where we can sit and drive the lifeboat. And here the panel of lifeboat. Here it shows the direction which lifeboat is going, and this is our handle. This is now neutral position, and this is a head and a stern, and this is steering of lifeboat. And to start the lifeboat, what is the procedure to start the lifeboat? First, there is two battery. We can start the lifeboat in one batteries also. So this is a battery number 1, this is battery number 2. So we just need to put this key, and we need to turn on position, and after turning on we can start the lifeboat with one battery also, or two battery. We can turn on this light, and again this key we have to rotate to on, and again start, and again we need to move ahead or astern. Depending on our requirement we can move this, and the lifeboat will go. And this is a place, if we sit, it's look like this. In this lifeboat we can sit 24 person, and here is a drain plug for this. In this it is a drain plug. Here fuel oil tank, here inventory is there, here fresh water, fire extinguisher, and this is all the view of the lifeboat.